Number 3. Samsung Premier LSP9T. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a device that will elevate your home cinema experience to the next level, the Samsung Premier LSP9T. This Ultra Short Throw 4K laser projector can project a massive image from just a few inches away. And what an image it is! Thanks to triple laser technology, the colors are incredibly vivid and bright, almost like they're popping off the screen. With HDR10 Plus support and 2800 ANSI lumens of brightness, you'll get a perfect picture no matter if you're in a dark or bright room. You can expand it to a whopping 130 inches, making your favorite movies, sports events, and games a true spectacle. Plus, with built-in smart TV features, you can instantly access Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming services. Managing your content is a breeze with Samsung's user-friendly interface. The sound system is also top-notch. With 4.2-channel 40W Harman Kardon speakers, you'll get a cinematic audio experience right in your living room. Its minimalist design and easy setup make creating your own home theater space simpler than ever. The Samsung Premier LSP9T combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, ushering in a new era of home entertainment. Number 2. Hisense L9G. First off, with its 3000 lumens of brightness and 4K resolution, this projector delivers crystal clear and vibrant images even in the brightest environments. Thanks to HDR10 and HLG support, the colors are incredibly vivid, and the contrasts are stunningly deep. So whether you're watching a movie or playing games, you won't miss a single detail. Now, let's talk tech. With trichroma laser technology covering 107% of the RECBR 2020 color gamut, this beast offers a much wider and more realistic color palette. Plus, with the Android TV operating system, you can easily access popular apps like Netflix and YouTube. And don't forget about Google Assistant. You can control the device with voice commands and say goodbye to the remote. Setting it up is super easy too. From just a few inches away, you can create a massive 120-inch screen. Its modern and sleek design fits perfectly with any decor. If you're looking for a home theater experience with cinema-quality visuals, the Hisense L9G is definitely a top pick. Don't miss out. Number 1. EpiqVision Ultra RS800. Hey everyone, let's dive into the Epson EpiqVision Ultra RS800, the ultimate game changer for your home cinema experience. This top-tier projector uses Ultra Short Throw technology to deliver a huge screen from just a few inches away, perfect for any space. With 4K Pro UHD resolution and HDR support, you'll enjoy vibrant, sharp images that bring the cinema to your living room. What makes the RS800 even better is its user-friendly features. It comes with Android TV, giving you easy access to Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and more. The built-in sound system means no need for extra speakers, and with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can wirelessly stream your favorite content. Plus, the smart remote and interface make control a breeze. The RS800's sleek, compact design fits any decor, and its energy efficiency means you can enjoy long viewing sessions without worry. Backed by Epson's reliability, this projector is perfect for movie lovers, gamers, and family movie nights. Don't miss out on the Epson EpiqVision Ultra RS800. Check it out now.